Hello guys and welcome to this new Excel tutorial. In this video I'm going to talk about flash fill. So basically flash fill automatically detects patterns in your data and completes the rest for you. It's great for splitting or combining names, extracting usernames from emails, formatting phone numbers or dates, and also converting text cases. As you can see in our workbook, we have 3 different sheets. So we have the names, the emails, and the phone numbers. What we are going to do is that we are going to create 2 new columns in here. The first one, it will be the first name, and the second one, it will be the last name. The second thing that we are going to do for emails is that we are going to extract the username in here and also the account type in here. And same thing for phone numbers. We are going to extract the Kanchi code in one column and also the phone numbers in the second column. For the names, we are going to write first name and we have last name. So basically we write the first one in here, right? And when we click on enter, we go to the cell C4. We just press Ctrl E and it will extract all the first names from the full name, as you can see in here. Same thing for the last name, Ctrl E, and we get all the last names in here, right? Same thing for the emails. So here we have username. So extract the first one and Control E. So here we have all the usernames. Same thing for the account type. For example, if it is Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo, etc. Same thing, we write here Yahoo, Control E. And here we get all the account types. Same thing for phone numbers. We write here Kanchi code. So basically here we write +97, Control E, and it will extract all the Kanchi codes from the phone names. Same thing if we want only the number. So basically we copy the number, copy. Okay. So here we have the number without the Kanchi code, and same thing, Control E. Right, so here we get all the phone numbers using flash fill. As you can see also here we have the username and also the account type. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.